Good morning all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, March 24th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile, SPY, IWMN, triple Qs. And as you can see right now, we're all trading basically in balance in value. So what transpired yesterday afternoon continued right after the bell, as you can see, between 4 and 8. But now look where we are. So for my money's worth, anybody below K's high has basically all afternoon and last night shorted this market. So any acceptance above that 200-day moving average, which is basically K's high, it's right around there. It's around 446.33 or so. We'll see where it opens today. Will be caught short. Now, as you can see, a lot of them have been covering already. And this is why we talk about the context of is the overnight long or short, right? So if the overnight is long, is it really long, or is it really just all this covering their shorts, right? So that's what's going to have to be seen. Again, I don't mind what happened yesterday. We're in a 3-day balance. I would like to get over that 200-day moving average. I mean, we were below it for a long time. We only settled above it on Tuesday. And again, yesterday we settled below it. So at some point, if we're going to get that 455, 460 level that I think the Bulls have the capability of doing, we need to get away from this 200-day moving average and maybe come into balance above it. Okay? Overnight high 447, overnight low 443.40. Basically the same thing for triple Qs. Russell is having so much trouble in this almost 9-week balance. What I don't want to see in SPY is if we take out yesterday's low, if we go anywhere near Monday's low, number one, you'll be getting to the bottom of a 3-day balance. But number two, you're also going to be testing then the top of the previous 3-week balance and the 50-day moving average. So, game plan for this morning. Obviously, there's 75 minutes to go. A lot can happen. So, if we open right around where we are, there's really no play because there's going to be a battle at the 200-day moving average, right? And that'd be a really nice place to open because then you'd have not only the opening but the 200-day moving average to see at some point one side wants to win it, and then you can see the direction of the day. If, however, we open above it and above K's high, well, again, if you open it in value, it's the worst of your risk-reward, but you could probably take a long play and then use K's high and or the 200-day moving average as you're out. If we start going back and forth through it, I'm not going to play that game. But if we hold it, then you can hold your long. On the flip side, in the next 75 minutes, if we open below K's high and inside of here, really not much of a play. If you were to push up, maybe you could take a short against the 200-day moving average the first time. If you push down, maybe you could take a long against J's low because where there were sellers there yesterday in M period, they're not there yet this morning. So those are three possible plays. And obviously, in the next 75 minutes, if we open below J's low, looking for nothing but shorts until we get acceptance back into J's range. And then quickly on the charts. Here's the daily. Came into a 3-day balance yesterday, which I said is very healthy. I would have liked to have gone a little higher yesterday and start this balance above the 200. But again, the market doesn't care what we want. So we're still battling that 200-day moving average. It's going to be pretty important to get over it, stay over it, get acceptance if the Bulls want to continue this move up. Otherwise, if this is all they want, at some point you're going to come out of balance to the downside and test not only obviously the 50, but the 20-day moving average once again. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Have a great day trading, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.